Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Infinix. You need to start by opening Calendar app. Now choose Allow in the pop-up and pick a date that you wish to set up by clicking on the chosen one. After that, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then adjust it however you want to. Firstly, add a title. Then click on Location section and type in an address. Now you can click on From to set up starting hour and to choose ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by clicking on this switcher next to All Day. Then click on Repetition and tap on the best option for you. Never repeats daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. I will go with weekly, so I have to click on it and adjust it over here. If you change your mind, you can always click on Never Repeats. Now tap on Reminders and set up notification minutes, hours or weeks before your event. I will go with 1 week before. You can also choose reminder time, set up an hour and click on OK. If you don't want to do that, just click on this switcher next to Don't Remind. Now go back, take some notes, choose calendar account and finally save your event by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can always edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. In order to discard them, click on top left corner. You can save them by choosing top right one. To get rid of your event though, tap on it again and click on this pen icon, at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!